Hi, Dave from the Motorcycle Fellas here. We're up at Oxford Classic Motorcycles having a look round this 1976 Honda 404 Super Sport. It's done 40,000 miles on the clock. It's a little bit crusty here and there. The old rear mud guard looks quite solid, quite good for one of these. The silencer doesn't look too bad. It's an original item. Got a Honda stamp on it. It wants a little bit of paintwork here and there. Somebody's tried touching it out by the looks of it on the framework. The rims are not too bad. Rusty spokes, as you can see. Engine's a little bit weathered, but it has done 40,000 miles and it is 1976, so you know we've got a bit of tank wear. That's where people have worn that with their legs, isn't it? If you look there, there's a little bit, but front mudguard's solid. Could do with a re-chrome if you're being really fussy. Well, if you want to restore it, but it's nice to have something that's original and look in the age. Rims are clean up a bit, but somebody's tried painting the spokes there, look, which is not ideal. But there again, we've got the wear on this side of the tank as well, and you can see the seat's been rubbing it. Let's just pop the seat up quickly and have a look. Yeah. Seat base ain't too bad, you know. Framework's okay. Yeah. Oh, the mudguard's got a little bit rusty there. That's hidden, but yeah, overall it's not too bad for 1976. Let's start her up and see what she sounds like. Engine sounds sweet, doesn't it? Don't you think so, cameraman?
Sounds lovely.
Let's put my lid on and we'll take it around the block and have a quick spin. So 404. Very 404 is small. Quite a small bike. Sounds amazing, really. Again, typical Honda 404. Sounds like a little sewing machine, the engine. We just go over the ton, wasn't it? Ton 10, something like that, I'd have thought. Running a little bit lumpy. Carbs need a clean. As soon as you throttle it, it seems to clear itself. It's chugging about a bit. We'll go round again. Not running quite right, which is a shame really, but I find it a little bit too small to ride. It's like being on a CD175 or that CB400, you know. I must say it's not for me, definitely not for me, but people love them. Quite disappointing really. It wasn't running 100%, but Charlie's just had a quick look at it and there was a plug fouling, so it was probably that. And I mean, it sounds sweet enough when you give it some beans. I mean, I can see the attraction why people love them, because they're like a little racing bike really, aren't they? The way it sounds and revs, and of old that is. But it's just not for me. I find it too small again. you know. But there you go. Thanks for watching.